Students at Illinois Tech's Lewis College of Science and Letters are making a difference.
We are critical thinkers and problem solvers, working alongside distinguished faculty to advance new research methods and utilizing technology that has the power to change our world.
We're doing work that matters.
Conducting research that zeroes in on social problems and leads to real solutions, be they new medicines, new communication tools, or new ways of understanding human nature.
We study it all, from the food on your plate, to the social networks you engage with, to public health, to global politics, to the mysteries of the universe.
We thrive at the intersection of humanity and technology.
We are scientists,
Public servants,
psychologists,
and philosophers.
we're changemakers.
Global thinkers and innovators.
We are Lewis College.